back to my channel. So I haven't uploaded anything in a while because I've been going to some Halloween stores. Not really Halloween stores, but places that have Halloween items. You want to say hello? So this is well, my only kitty now. Say hi. His name is Garfield. He's the cutest. You can do it, don't bite me. Okay, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, okay, so I went to a couple places. The thing is that being that it's only the second week of September, there's not a lot of places that do have Halloween things. So whatever stores I went to, I kind of saw what they had Halloween wise and whatever matched my theme, because every year I like to do a theme. Last year was clowns, the year before that was skeletons, and okay, somebody wants to be part of the video. Okay, so yeah, the themes. So this year I kept it classic: skeletons, cats, witches, pumpkins, all that fun stuff. So that's kind of why I wore this, you know, to represent traditional or old school, I guess. And do you want to be the star of the show? Can I be in the video? My goodness. So yeah, okay. Let me get into it. Okay, yeah, I gotta put you down. I have to show this stuff. Fine, you wanna show it with me? Fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do this by stores, just because I kind of got a lot in like 3 stores. Well, not a lot, but you know, enough to make like 3 different videos, or 3 or 4, whatever. Okay, so I got this pumpkin to keep it traditional. It says Home Sweet Haunted Home, and I got it at Michael's actually, and it costs $14. Well, it says $14, but Michael had a 40% off all Halloween stuff, so that's another reason why I got the stuff that I got. Going along with the classics, I got a little kitty cat in a clown costume. Thought it was, well, yeah, little pumpkin trick or treat. I got, well, not really a funny story, but I just got this like a week ago and my husband already broke it. I guess these things are like really fragile. So he accidentally slipped with his arms, and then it fell on the counter, and then the hat broke. So the hat was somewhere here, but I can't really show you because I have a baby with me. So yeah, skeleton. I don't think I'm gonna buy a new one. I think I'm just gonna crazy glue the hat. This one has no price on it. I think, well, did I keep the price? Stop being scared of everything. Okay, I took off the prices for these. Sorry guys, I don't remember how much it was. I don't think it was a lot though. Might have been like $5. But again, 40% off each item. I do like to paint. So I did get a kitty cat. Now the thing with this kitty cat is that it glows. I thought that was super cool. I actually just found out like right now. So once I paint it, hopefully it'll look a little bit nicer, a little more pizzazz. And then of course, representing that I have a kitty, I also had to get one that represents a dog. Now the dog is so cute. It's sleeping. It looks like my beagle, and it has a witch's hat. And of course, it glows too. My dog is afraid of everything that moves. But when it's another dog, he goes crazy. Tell me, how does that work? I didn't get this at Michael's, but I told you guys how I love tumblers. Jack. I think every video I'm gonna change my tumbler so you guys can see my craziness. Okay, that was the Michael's run. I didn't get anything else, so I think we're gonna cut it with that, and the next one will be the next store. Oh, I did get something else, but I already put it out on my front door. It's a skeleton that you put in the grass, and it's like the hat and the bow tie are glittered, and it's green. Well, the bow tie and the hat is green. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so I think that's it, and then next video will be the other store. Well, we will go from there. Alrighty. Catch you later.